Hi everyone, this video is demonstrating the baby sleeper 3-month sign. So for this pattern, you're going to pick your yarn. It can be 3 or 4 baby yarn. You also need prepare size 5 straight needle. The slipper don't need stitch holder, double pointed needles or anything. We are just working off the 2 needles, so this will be pretty simple. You also need to have a sewing needle as well. Firstly, you cast on 39 stitches. You can use any form of cast on. I'm just using the regular long-tailed cast on method. Yet, we have worked your catch on 39, and this is the right side of your work. For the first row, you will begin with 1 knit, and after that 1 purl, then repeat 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl. Okay, in case you would like to have a cuff slipper, you can work this for 2 rows. In case, no, in this video, I'm demonstrating the work with 4 rows. 4 rows. For the second row, you will begin with 1 purl, and after that 1 knit. Okay, you continue to the end. For the third row, you repeat the row like the first row with 1 knit, then 1 purl, and repeat until the end. For the 4 rows, you will repeat look like the second row, and after that you will start with the instep stitch. The instep stitch is the top of our slipper, and you will begin with the 14 knit stitch. Okay, we have a 14 stitch here. Then we chain into purl 3 stitch. And then we are going to chain into knit 5 stitch. Then purl 3 stitch. And that's all we are going to work. So you will leaving 14 stitches on your left needle. Then what you have to do now is turn your work. So we will need only be working this center stitch. So the next row we begin with knit 3 stitch. Then purl 5 stitch. And then knit more 3 stitch. Now we are just going to stop there and leaving the 14 stitch on the left needle, and you turn your work again. For the next row we are going to begin with purl 3. Then continue with knit 5 stitch. And then continue with purl 3 stitch. And we are going to turn the work. For the next row we are continue with knit 3 stitch. Then purl 5 stitch. And after that you continue with knit 3 stitch. You turn your work, and now we're going to repeat the last 2 rows 3 times. It means that you will add more 6 rows on the pattern before we cutting the yarn.